Good morning, kids. Today we'll do the exercise of chapter 2. Here in page number 16, you have chapter checklist. You have to take the concepts which you have understood. Now let's move to page number 17. Here you can see that first exercise is match the following. On one side you can see first one, equator, second, prime meridian, third, Arctic Circle, fourth, Western Hemisphere, fifth, Tropic of Cancer. On the other side, A, 66.5 degree north latitude, B, a latitude which lies in the middle of the earth at an equal distance from the North Pole and the South Pole, C, a longitude that passes through the Greenwich, London, D, 23.5 degree north latitude, E, area between 0 degree and 180 degree west. Now you have to match it. Now let's check the answer. First one, equator. The correct answer is a latitude which lies in the middle of the earth at an equal distance from the North Pole and the South Pole. Second, prime meridian. The correct answer is a longitude that passes through Greenwich, London. Third one is Arctic Circle. The correct answer is 66.5 degree north latitude. Fourth one, Western Hemisphere. The correct answer is area between 0 degree and 180 degree west. Fifth one, Tropic of Cancer. The correct answer is 23 degree north latitude. I hope you all have marked your answers. You have to write all the answers in your notebook with proper date. Now let's move to the second exercise. Here you have to rearrange the given jumbled words. Write the correct answer in your notebook. Now let's check the answer. First one, the word is latitude. The spelling is Latitude. Second correct word is longitude. Longitude. Third correct word is equator. Equator. Fourth is meridian. Meridian. And the fifth correct word is grid. Grid. I hope you all have written the answers. Now let's move to the third exercise, that is answer the following questions. The first question is, how can we locate a place on the earth? The correct answer is, we can locate a place on the earth with the help of longitude and latitudes on a globe or a map. Now let's see the second question. Mention one similarity and one difference between a latitude and a longitude. The answer is, one similarity is the lines of latitudes and longitudes are the imaginary lines. And the one difference is the latitudes are the horizontal lines and the longitudes are the vertical lines. Now let's move to the third question. Name the four hemispheres into which the earth can be divided. And the four hemispheres are Northern Hemisphere, Southern Hemisphere, Eastern Hemisphere and Western Hemisphere. Now let's see the next question. What is the international date line? As we all know, 180 degree east and 180 degree west are same longitude and is known as 180 degree, and it is also known as international date line. Fifth question is, what is a grid? Now let's see the correct answer. The imaginary crisscross networks of latitude and longitude on the Earth's surface is called a grid. Now the fourth exercise is, think it over. Here the question is, how do these taxis find your location to pick you up and drop you at your chosen destination? Now let's see the answer. Taxi services can pick up our location by finding our home address or any other address on a map. These addresses are absolute location and it gives the exact position of your place. Next we have activity corner. Two activities are there. One is map work and skill focus. You have to discuss it with your parents and complete it in your notebook with proper date. That's all for today. We'll meet in the next class. Thank you.